Controlling whole house humidity during new home construction prevents material damage and keeps occupants comfortable. During new construction, we recommend planning for a whole house humidity control strategy that ties into the ducted HVAC system so you avoid retrofit complexities later. Install an in-duct humidifier with a dedicated humidistat if the climate is dry to maintain consistent indoor relative humidity around 40 to 50%, and choose an evaporative or steam model sized to the home's airflow and square footage. For humid climates, place a whole house dehumidifier on the return side of the air handler so it removes moisture before air is conditioned and recirculated. Size it to peak latent loads rather than just cubic footage to avoid undersizing. Integrate humidity controls with the thermostat or building automation so set points change with occupancy and outdoor conditions, and so you can schedule setbacks while away. Add localized units in basements and crawl spaces where ground moisture and poor ventilation create persistent damp spots. Use units rated for continuous operation and route condensate to a proper drain or pump. Include water vapor barriers, properly sealed ductwork, and balanced ventilation with heat recovery or energy recovery ventilators to manage fresh air without overloading your humidity system. Finally, set up a maintenance plan that includes regular filter changes, coil cleaning, drain line inspections, pad replacements for humidifiers, and seasonal checks to prevent microbial growth and preserve system efficiency. Common mistakes include undersizing equipment, which causes continuous cycling and inadequate moisture control. And the fix is to calculate latent and sensible loads using expected occupancy and local climate data, then choose a unit with some capacity margin. Oversimplifying control logic by relying solely on a single thermostat often results in rooms that are too dry or too humid. Resolve this by using dedicated humidistats or multi-sensor setups, and by integrating humidity schedules into your control system. Neglecting maintenance leads to mold and system failure. Set calendar reminders for cleaning, replace consumable parts on the manufacturer's timeline, and confirm condensate drainage and antimicrobial components are functioning. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide project guidance specific to whole house humidity upgrades. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and help contractors find work and homeowners find practical advice.